Hi, everyone. Welcome to Black Forex and Stock Traders. I'm Dr. L.A. Payne. I am the founder of Black Forex and Stock Traders. I am an international educator. I've worked in education for over 20 years, and I am in love with investing and teaching new investors how to get started in the foreign exchange market. You can find us on Facebook on our Black Forex and Stock Traders page. As you can see, we have about 6.2 thousand members in this community, and you can just simply put that in your search engine and it will come up. Now, I'm doing this video because a lot of people have been asking me about funded accounts. What is a funded account? What are funded traders? How do you get paid by the broker? When you first started participating in the foreign exchange market, you needed about $10,000 liquid to participate in the market. And now you can participate in the foreign exchange market with as little as $10. It is a beautiful thing. This is the way of investing. A lot of millennials are aware of this and they don't feel compelled to go get a job because they know that they can make money from their cell phone. The foreign exchange market is simply exchange. It's currency exchange. You're exchanging one currency for another currency. I lived in Dubai for about 5 years, worked abroad for 7 years. And whenever I go to Dubai or I go to Thailand or I go to London or Mexico, for those of you who prefer to travel internationally closer to the States, each country has its own currency, okay? So the foreign exchange market, no, it's not like a gimmick. It's the largest market in the world. Let me say that again. The foreign exchange market is the largest market in the world, okay? About $6.6 trillion are exchanged in the foreign exchange market. As an educator, I think it's my responsibility to educate people on this because it's a major game changer. Follow me. You used to need $10,000 to participate in this $6.6 trillion per day market. You no longer need $10,000 liquid cash. You can have $10. And I'm going to explain to you how people are leveraging that. Now, most people are familiar with the stock market, and I'm showing you how easy it is for you to do a simple Google search and say, well, how much is the stock market worth? Well, the stock market is worth 46 million, okay? Not 6.6 trillion, 46 million. Okay, so again, the foreign exchange market is the largest market in the world. And then we have the crypto market. Okay, look at how much money is being spent. Okay, and this is where the market is capped at. Again, these are some fast moving markets. And if you're not aware of these markets, you really should. Now, a lot of people are always looking for ways to supplement their income, and this is just an excellent way. A lot of people are intimidated by this because they simply don't know. When I was moving to Dubai, my friends were investing in crypto at about $10 to $100, and I was like, but how is that being controlled by the government? I had so many questions and I didn't understand. Okay, what was the high for Bitcoin? Let's check that out. My friends bought at about $100. Okay. Bitcoin's ultimate high was $68,789.63. A lot of them made $1 million. Okay. I did not. Why? Because I was asking questions. Okay. Now, of course, I own a lot of Bitcoin now, but I didn't understand. So now I'm on a mission to educate as many people as I can about these markets so that you can leverage it. Okay. For yourself. Please don't get left behind because you were like me asking all these questions when you just simply needed to learn and invest. Okay. A small amount. Now, I'm going to talk to you about funded accounts. The brokers are now having initiatives where you can purchase a funded account. Last week, Maven had where you could get a $10,000 account for $50. Yes, this is a real thing. You just don't know about it. So we're educating you. So what they do is they sell you a funded account for a very small price, and then you have to demonstrate that you can be responsible as a trader. That's where the education comes in that we provide, okay? We teach you how to get in and get out the market and proper risk management. Proper risk management is what we focus on. We're not telling you what to do, it's your decision, but we do provide you with proper risk management education. So you can attend a free session to learn more about that. But let's focus on the funded side. So you get a funded account, and then they have these simple challenges where you have to basically compound the account. Now, I am focusing more on one step, but they offer one step and two step. You can press this here. Right at the top, two step, you can press one step. Okay, right now I am personally focused on 5K to 500K. Most brokers do not offer you 500K, so I really like Maven because they do have lower prices. They have a very interactive dashboard that you can just stay on target. So on a 5K account, they're going to put $5,000 in your account, okay? The goal is for you to make $450 off of the $5,000. Do you see that there? You cannot go into the negative more than $200. In order to do this, you have to take proper risk management, and we offer free proper risk management classes every Monday. Okay, so even though the account is worth $5,000, I encourage you to treat it like you only have $200 in the account until you pass the trade. Okay, and as you can see, they do charge a fee of $55 on a 5K account for a one step. For a two step, they charge $45. What does two step mean? Two step means you have to make $450 first and then $250, and then you get a little bit more money for your drawdown, which is $250. What is a drawdown? The amount that you can go in the negative on a trade. Okay, those of you who are new traders, the market goes up and the market goes down. You can either buy or you can sell. Again, this is a part of proper risk management, and we teach proper risk management every Monday night at Black Forex for free, okay? And so we want you to stay in the blue, in profit, in target. Now, on a $10,000 account, your drawdown is going to be $500 for two-step, and it's going to be, let's go back to 10K, $400 for the one-step, okay? So this is Maven. Again, I personally like Maven because of their dashboard. It's interactive. It's least one of the lesser expensive options, and you can take the challenge as many times as you need. Now, once you pass the challenge, they will pay you up to 80%. They will pay you up to 80% once you pass the challenge of your profit, okay? So it's worth learning. Now that's Maven. You can do your research and make your decision. Now this is KOT4X. I have an account with KOT4X. I like KOT4X. The thing that I like about KOT4X is I've had them for quite some time, and they pay me consistently. I never have an issue with getting my money, and that is a big a big plus for me. So here again, these are what they offer. They don't offer small accounts like a 5,000, right? They're starting at 50K, but they only go up to 200K. Again, I told you I like Maven because you just have a little bit more options, but I love KOT as well. You have to do your own research and decide which broker is best for you, okay? On the 50K account, you have to grow that account 10%, and you're talking about 30 days. Maven will allow you to pass a challenge in 4 days. So that's something to compare. Phase 2, you have up to 60 days. Your minimum here on all of them is going to be 4 days, okay? And then again here, phase 2, you're only going to need 5% of what you choose on that account. Okay, your leverage is going to be the same across the board. Your drawdown is going to be 5%. Again, 5%. Excuse me. It's going to be 5%, and then your overall drawdown is going to be 10%. 10%. So it's really, really, really important that you stay within those limits. And the best way to stay in those limits is simply to the best way for you to stay in those limits is proper risk management. And so we teach you proper risk management, and it's not hard. It's definitely something worth learning so that you can become successful. Sorry. Okay, I'm just telling them I have a session getting ready to start for proper risk management. I'm telling them to give me a moment. Okay, so be mindful of this on KOT. Again, you're going to look at KOT. You're going to look at Maven. There are other brokers out there. Okay, now this is FTMO. I have an account with FTMO as well, and they have paid me, so we don't have a problem here. Okay, so as you can see, you got 4 days here. You go through 2 and 3 step verifications. Again, Maven, you can choose 1 or 2. KOT, it's going to be 2. Okay. And then FTMO is going to go from 10,000 to 200,000. Again, Maven goes all the way to 500,000, which is just something I like for my 5K to 500 initiative. So again, as you can see here, your maximum daily loss is going to be $500. Okay. And this is on a $10,000 account. Let's say you did 25,000. Well, it goes up. Okay. So you can see basically here, the percentage that they have you at is about 5%. Your maximum loss is at about 10%. Your profit target the first time is 1,000. The second time is 500. Okay. Once you pass it, the majority of them give you your money back that you invested. Okay. As you can see, once you pass it, they give you that money back, and then you are able to get paid. They do have a step 3 as an FTMO trader. I'm sorry. And then again, your trading period is unlimited. There are no minimum trading days. Your maximum daily loss is still $500 on that account. Your maximum over loss is 1,000. Okay. And you do not have a profit target. Whatever you make, they will pay you on it. So again, you have to just look at these highlights. You definitely want to read the fine print, make sure how you're going to be paid out, and then you're going to choose what's simply best for you. But have a look at FTMO, have a look at Maven, have a look at KOT Forex, and you can decide what is, what works best for you and where you would like to begin your challenge. At Black Forex and Stock Traders, we are really big on providing success and education so that people can be successful, because so many people don't know about this. So this is why I'm doing everything I can to educate the masses. So I want to give a shout out to Yarnell, Babe, Shayla, Aaron, Riley, Michelle, Nicole, and Merlan. As you can see, once you pass the challenge, they receive a certificate, right? So nobody can just tell me they passed. They have their certificate. And so now I know that these people are qualified and they are actually getting paid. And it's kind of like our receipt, so that we know that the sessions that we provide for proper risk management, that it's actually working for people. And as you can see here, people are using different brokers, and it's 100% okay. If you want to use Maven, if you want to use KOT, if you want to use FTMO, Babe use Surge Trader, whoever. And shout out to Babe. Babe just qualified for another account where she received $100,000. So again, the playing field is being leveled, but again, so many people don't know, and I am just here to provide the information. Please message us at Black Forex and Stock Traders if you have a question, if you want to attend a session. It's the Black Forex at gmail.com, or I just typed it there for you, or you can join our Discord at the Black Forex. It's going to say BFST, or you can message us on Telegram at BFST admin, okay? And we will be happy to get you started. Start somewhere. Even if you don't decide that you want to learn with us, I encourage you to learn. I encourage you to learn this skill, learn about investing. It is not hard. Again, you used to need $10,000 and now you can invest with $10 at a minimum. So it's worth it. You used to have to trade your own money, and people trade and lose money trying to learn the skill. And now, because of these funded challenges, you do not have to do that. So I hope to see you in a live session soon. If you have questions, send us a message. We want to empower you and your family. Happy trading.